Hi everyone, my name is Stefan. If you came here for something life-changing, I encourage you to follow the links in the description below, as those authors literally changed my life and pocketbook for the better. With that said, let's get into it. If you want to be a billionaire and like Bruno Mars be smiling next to Oprah and the Queen, then it's likely you clicked on this video because you have at least a passive interest in being rich or powerful or drive fancy cars and have nice things. But at the end of the day, honestly speaking now, how many of us have really thought of what it takes to become a billionaire? My guess is not too many. So let's do that now. First, let's look at that big number and realize it's just a 1 with a bunch of zeros at the end. So let's divide 1 billion by 120 months, which is 10 years. 1 billion divided by 120 equals 8,333,333.33 that would need to be made each month for 10 years to make 1 billion. That's still a large number, but it's easier to play with. In the United States, at the moment, there's over 200 million people that are 18 years of age or over, and likely they have purchasing power. If you could find just 1 out of 1,000 people here in the United States to purchase your product or service monthly, that would be 200,000 people. Can you think of something that these people must have that is $42 a month? Now, if that seems too much, what if you poured in some advertising and marketing into your service or product? Now, 1 in 100 people in America bought into it. Well, if that was the case, the dollar amount would now be $4.17 each month. So what items are considered necessities? Shelter, food, water, clothing, phone, internet connection, toiletries, transportation, insurance, entertainment, maintenance, and the list goes on. If 607 people in the United States figured out how to make $1 billion, so can you, or so can I. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, but you do have to make a service or product better. You see, that's what John D. Rockefeller did with the oil industry, Warren Buffett with Berkshire Hathaway, McDonald's by turning a hamburger stand into a fast food restaurant. With focused thought, determination, and taking advantage of opportunity, Dan Bena turned $820 into a $450 million company within 8 years. He's a billionaire, and he's trained others to hone in their skills, which has resulted in his students having made in excess of $6 trillion. As Napoleon Hill put it, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. So what are the steps to becoming a billionaire? Step 1, break down the number, seeing that it can be done and believing it can be achieved. Simply put, if you don't believe it can be done, it won't happen. Step 2, invest in yourself. You're going to need to learn skills and thought processes that are typically not taught in school. This is so that you can become a leader or influencer in your industry. The best way to do that is by learning from mentors now and in the past who have reached that goal and emulating their habits. Step 3, finding a product, idea, or service that resonates with everyone and making it better. Step 4, working 1,000 times more efficient, focused, and harder than the typical American. The reason why people don't retire with the needed funds is because they haven't planned or put into action a plan. Now, please don't get me wrong. I understand life happens, but we all need to make strategic moves to accomplish our goals. Step 5, don't give up. As the old saying goes, try, and try again. You may get cut up and bloodied along the way, but if you keep at it, you'll be a billionaire. And that's it. The reason for this video was to get people to think and see that it can be done. I personally do not want to work 1,000 times harder than everyone else. I love my family too much, but by making videos like this, I intend to help my family get by happily and help others along the way. So I want to say thank you for liking and sharing this video. Please do not forget to take a look or listen to the books that are in the description below. And if this information here helped you out or was life-changing, feel free to show me some love. Perhaps $4 and some change. Have a good one.